G'day everyone, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today I'm here to announce the drop of a brand new pattern to my store, and it is a beautiful little cow. Now, I have always been a bit fascinated as a child with the idea of a blue cow. Some company brought out blue flavoured milk and I made the association that perhaps it came from a blue cow. Quite amazing to be able to create it at this age. I hope you all love her. She has some delicious little details, so let's take a closer look. So this is Bloo, B-L-O-O, and she is obviously a little blue cow. She is number 2 in my Play Doll series. We already have our beautiful rhino, and this one is made up in the same kind of style. Now, she is an intermediate level pattern, and she is very easy to make up. And also you've got some different options with her eye detailing and with her horns. We can certainly simplify that. I run through all of that in your video tutorial. She can be made up very simply by just popping eyes in, and we don't have to joint those horns. They can be sewn on, but certainly I take you through the whole process of creating this little darling. Now, we have a new little dress with this pattern, and of course you get the pattern for the dress, which is a little pinafore. We get the undershirt. I finished her off with a beautiful little custom made bow on the top there. Very simple, ears are set into the pattern. So very much an easy intermediate design. She has great posability and huggability with those little floppy arms and legs. And of course, she has a little pocket pal, a delightful little flower pocket pal. Tucks in her pocket, and you can make these up too, just for kids to pop in their pocket. I would certainly wear these, and fits so perfectly in her new little pinafore dress. Tuck that in there. Imagine that made up in all sorts of different colours. I know you're all going to do that. So very simple design, and my masterclass people can certainly zhuzh her up a little by sculpting horns and sculpting a nose perhaps. But as an intermediate pattern, I think she's absolutely beautiful, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing her. Don't they make a lovely couple? They really do. It's lovely seeing them together. This is going to be a really big series, and there won't be much more room on my lap, but it won't stop me making more. It's been very popular, and certainly our little rhino is being made. So many people have enjoyed making him, and I've loved seeing your results on our Facebook page. So make sure you come along and join them. You can come and see them too, and post your own version. I'm so looking forward to seeing all sorts of little different coloured cows. And I have to say, I really very much appreciate the lovely reviews that you're leaving on my website. And of course you receive a discount code if you leave a review, but it really does help people see that these are not AI, and they can be made, and real beautiful people like you guys are making them up just as well as I am. So thank you so much for that. The reviews really definitely help. Everybody, keep on sharing your work. Remember to pay all those good things forward. And until next time, it is hooroo from me.